Jalapeno Burger Recipe Basics. To make a jalapeno burger, you will need some essential ingredients and tools. Ingredients: 1. Ground beef, 80% lean and 20% fat is recommended for juicy burgers. 3. Salt and pepper. 4. Burger buns. 5. Toppings of your choice: cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, guacamole, etc. Tools: 1. Mixing bowl. 2. Spatula. 3. Grill or skillet. 4. Meat thermometer, optional. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Jalapeno Burger Recipe. Ingredients: 1. 1 pound ground beef. 2. 2 to 3 jalapeno peppers, seeded and sliced. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 5. Burger buns. 6. Toppings of your choice: cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, guacamole, etc. Instructions: 1. Preheat your grill or skillet to medium-high heat. 2. In a mixing bowl, combine ground beef, sliced jalapenos, salt, and black pepper. 2. Mix well. 3. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and shape each into a patty, about 3/4 inch thick. 4. Grill or cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, if using a meat thermometer. 5. Toast the burger buns on the grill or in the skillet for a minute or 2. 6. Assemble the burgers by placing the patties on the bottom buns, adding your desired toppings, and covering them with the top buns. 7. Serve immediately and enjoy. Grilled burger tips. 1. Use a light touch when forming the patties to avoid overpacking the meat and making tough burgers. 2. Make an indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb to prevent them from puffing up while cooking. 3. Avoid pressing down on the patties with a spatula while they cook, as this can cause the juices to escape and dry out the meat. 4. Let the burgers rest for a few minutes after cooking to allow the juices to redistribute and create a juicier burger. Create your own spicy creation, customizing your burger to suit your specific tastes. Making your own customized jalapeno burger is a fun and easy way to tailor the burger to your specific tastes. Here are some tips for creating your own spicy creation. 1. Choose your heat level. Jalapenos come in a range of heat levels, from mild to very spicy. 1. Consider how much heat you want in your burger and adjust the number of jalapenos accordingly. 1. If you're not sure, start with a smaller amount and taste test before adding more. 2. Experiment with toppings. There are endless options for toppings to add to your jalapeno burger. 2. Try different cheeses, such as pepper jack or blue cheese, and add toppings like bacon, guacamole, or fried onions for added flavor. 3. Mix up the meat. While ground beef is the traditional choice for burgers, you can also try ground turkey, chicken, or even plant-based alternatives like Beyond Meat. 3. Each type of meat will have a slightly different flavor profile, so experiment to find your favorite. 4. Add spice to the patty. If you want to up the spice level in your burger, mix some diced jalapenos into the ground meat before forming it into patties. 4. You can also add spices like cumin or chili powder for extra flavor. 5. Don't forget the bun. The bun is an important part of the burger experience, so choose a bun that can hold up to the toppings and juiciness of the patty. 5. Brioche or pretzel buns are good options, as they have a sturdy texture and can hold up to lots of toppings. Here's a basic recipe for a customized jalapeno burger. Ingredients. 1 pound ground beef, or your preferred meat. 2. 1 to 2 jalapeno peppers, seeded and diced. 3. Salt and pepper. 4. Burger buns. 5. Toppings of your choice: cheese, bacon, guacamole, fried onions, etc. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground meat, diced jalapenos, salt, and pepper. 1. Mix well and form into 4 to 6 patties, depending on size preference. 2. Heat a grill or skillet to medium-high heat. 3. Grill or cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, if using a meat thermometer. 4. Toast the burger buns on the grill or in the skillet for a minute or 2. 5. Assemble the burgers by placing the patties on the bottom buns, adding your desired toppings, and covering them with the top buns. 6. Serve immediately and enjoy your custom creation. The best homemade jalapeno toppings. Jalapeno peppers add a spicy kick to any burger, and there are a variety of toppings you can add to take your jalapeno burger to the next level. Here are some of the best homemade jalapeno toppings. 1. Jalapeno aioli. Mix mayo, minced garlic, diced jalapenos, and a squeeze of lime juice for a creamy and spicy topping. 2. Jalapeno relish. Finely dice jalapenos, onions, and tomatoes, and mix with a splash of vinegar, salt, and sugar for a tangy and spicy topping. 3. Jalapeno poppers. Stuff jalapenos with cream cheese and wrap them with bacon for a savory and spicy topping. 4. Guacamole with jalapenos. Mash ripe avocados, diced tomatoes, diced jalapenos, lime juice, and salt for a creamy and spicy topping. 5. Pickled jalapenos. Slice jalapenos and pickle them in a mixture of vinegar, water, sugar, and salt for a tangy and spicy topping. 6. Jalapeno salsa. Mix diced jalapenos, diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and salt for a fresh and spicy topping. 7. Jalapeno cheese sauce. Melt shredded cheddar cheese with milk, diced jalapenos, and a pinch of cumin for a gooey and spicy topping. These toppings can be used individually or combined to create a unique and flavorful jalapeno burger. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your favorite combination of toppings.